Hey squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool amazing one right here, and basically what this is a power strip from the Anker brand. And for the one that we got right here is called a 321 power strip. So this is what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this is what's included inside. So right here they probably got like a sticker or padding or something that you guys can probably stick onto the actual power strip onto the wall maybe. And right here they do probably got the user manual and also a feedback card as well. But last but not least, we do have the actual product here. So take off the wrapper first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So for this power strip, like I mentioned, they do call it this Anker 321. So here is the side that will plug in the wall outlet to activate the product. Right here they probably got the strap option for you guys to keep it all organized. And in terms of the length of the cable, it is a 5 feet cable. And then right here is basically what the product looks like. So on top right here we do have the brand logo. And right here we have a bunch of different outlets. So 2 USB outlets and 1 USB-C outlet. And it's throughout the side they do have like the regular outlets. So there's one right here, and one right here for a total of 3 of them. And in the back right here they do give you guys the specs and feature about the product. In terms of input and output on the product. And that is basically everything that's on the product. So if you guys notice the way how they designed this one is actually very similar to the one that I viewed in the past. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So here is the other one that I showed you guys in the previous video before. But if you guys notice on here, it does have a similar design. So right here we do have a plug outlet. Right here we do have the Velcro strap. And right here you can see we do have 3 USB outlets. And they do have the brand logo. But for this one, it does have a button for you guys to press to activate it and turn it off. And then throughout the side, they do have the outlets as well. So there's 1 right here, 2 right here, and 3 right here, with the same as the other one. And the cool thing about this one is the fact that they do provide guys 2 different color options. So you can get this in white or black. So this is what both of them look like side by side. When you guys do compare this one to this one, the 321 is actually better than the Cube. And the reason why is because the outlets on here in terms of USB and USB-C outlet. So the USB can give you guys 3.8 charging speed, where for this one only give you guys 2.48 charging speed. And for this one, like I mentioned, it does have a USB-C outlet that can give you guys power delivery, which is a maximum of 20 watts. So if you guys want to use that to charge like a MacBook Air or your phone or any other device, you definitely can. It probably won't be enough for you guys to use it for a MacBook Pro, but you definitely have the other outlet to use it in those cases. And obviously for all the power strips from the Anker brand, they do have the protection built in, such as overcurrent protection, overcharge protection, short circuit protection, and so much more. And the way how they designed the product is so compact and portable, so that way it makes it a lot easier for you guys to bring it along when you guys are traveling. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go through a quick test to show you guys how the product works and when it actually works first, and then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the product. So if you can see a side-by-side comparison between both of these, this one's definitely slightly smaller than the other one, so it's much more compact. And right here you can see I do have a bunch of cables that were used to test it out. So for this test, I'm only going to test out this one, not the other one. If you guys do want to see the test for this one, I do have that in a separate video. So I'll move this one side for now. Now let's plug in cable to test it out. So let's try the USB-C option first. Alright, so that works. Now let's try the next one. So if you guys plug in the other USB cable, that works as well. Now let's try the USB-C cable. So this one's a USB-C to lightning cable. And that works as well. So for all 3 of these outlets, it definitely does work if you guys do use at the same time. But now let's try out the other plug outlets. So I do like the way how they designed this one and this one because it has an outlet on the side. It's all spread out so it's not stick together. But we'll use this one right here first. So we have to plug it in. If you can see, that works. And then here we have the next one. If you guys plug it in, that works as well. And for the last outlet, we'll charge my MacBook. So if you guys plug it in, you can see how it's all separated. So I'm going to bring my laptop over to show you guys when it actually works. Alright, so right here I do have my MacBook. If you guys plug it in, that works as well. So you can see when you guys use the product, it allows you guys to charge multiple devices at the same time. And in order for you guys to get the faster charge speed on here, your percentage on the device needs to be pretty low. Basically, the lower it is, the faster it charge. But once it reaches the 80% or 90%, the charging speed slows down a lot. But you can see from this quick little test, the product definitely does work if you guys want to charge 6 devices at the same time. Welcome back guys. So now this quick test, the product definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. So when you guys do use the power strip, you do have the option to use all 6 outlets at the same time. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality power strip that has the same power and the same outlet that's on here, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously if it told you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.